Hey guys, welcome to today's video. Before we get into this video, I would encourage you to subscribe, like, and share this video with all your friends. Today's video, I'm going to be doing my pre-poo using my Moringa oil. I've done a DIY on my Moringa oil, so if you have not watched that video, please check it out in my other videos. I have never used Moringa oil as a pre-poo, and that's why I'm sharing this video with you. And if you find this video to be a little bit old, it's because I filmed it 2 months ago before I did my passion twist, or before I put my hair into a protective style, and my hair was still full, it was still healthy. So if you look at this video and the previous video we just watched and they don't look the same, it's because I hadn't loosed my hair yet. But yeah, so this is a video that I filmed a while ago, and I was using my Moringa oil. And I'm just going to show you how I use this Moringa oil and also my results. So you want to watch the entire video. So for this pre-poo, I like to do it in sections. And sections when I am washing my hair on my wash day is the easiest. It makes my whole process easy for me to manage. And so you can see that I put my hair into these 4 sections, and I was going around and making sure that I coat each strand of my hair with oil. As you can see, I am detangling my hair while I do this, but I'm also applying oil as I do this. This makes my wash day easier. When I finish my pre-poo and I was able to detangle my hair, I feel like my other steps become a little bit easier. And as you can see, I really drenched my hair with oil during this process, and you want to do that when you are pre-pooing your hair. You want to use as much oil as you can possibly have, and you want to make sure that your whole entire head is coated with oil. So do massage your scalp, and as you can see, it was running all over me, you guys. It's just always messy when you do pre-poo. I like to pre-poo with coconut oil, and that's what I've been using for the rest of my natural hair journey, really. And I tried to use Moringa, and I feel like Moringa is best because of how it left my hair feeling. And so I would encourage you to use either coconut oil or Moringa oil, any penetrating oil really. It's gonna be helpful for repairing that damaged hair and those damaged ends. And right now I'd already finished all my 4 sections, detangling them. I really like to put them in these little 4 sections. They really look cute, but it's been easier for me to manage my hair in these sections. I'm gonna go ahead and apply my plastic cup. I'm gonna keep it in for 10 minutes to 20 minutes, and after that I will wash it out. This is usually my favorite part about my wash day, washing out any sort of oil or any sort of dirt or any sort of whatever. I just like washing my hair, you guys. And my hair takes a while for it to drench in water, so it took me like 15 minutes for my hair to just wash out all the oils. And the reason why you want to do this step before the shampoo is because you want to repair your hair if it's damaged, and you want to make sure that it makes your pre-poo makes your hair your strands a little bit stronger before you do the shampoo. And trust me, I was able to do this without necessarily stripping my hair's moisture. My hair was feeling very, very soft. As you can see, I was detangling it, and it was just very easy for me to run my fingers through it. And I feel like pre-poo really does help with the detangling process for me, and my whole wash day becomes easier when I do pre-poo. I do not always pre-poo every week. I do pre-poo once every 2 weeks. And so, but I really do love the days when I'm pre-pooing my hair because it makes my wash day pretty easy. And as you can see, I can easily separate my hair, can run my fingers through my hair, and it's easier because my hair at this point was really, really soft, and I was able to wash out all the oils before I went in with my shampoo. I didn't show you my shampoo process in this because I just wanted to show you my pre-poo process, but I'm going to show you how my hair was looking after I washed out all these oils. My hair was shiny, it was soft, it was just looking amazing. Like, look at my curls. Like, I've not even done any deep conditioning yet, and my hair looks and feels amazing. And of course, I'm gonna go ahead and shampoo it to make sure that it's pretty clean. But look at my hair curls. Like, look at how it's looking. Like, look at how shiny it is. And this is just only pre-pooing, you guys. Anyway, guys, I just wanted to show you how I have been using this moringa oil, and I'm definitely going to be using it now that I have breakage, and I'm going to use it again because pre-poo always helps with that. And yeah, I just want to share with you guys, regardless of how old this video is, I just want to share with you guys how I'm doing my pre-poo and how I'm growing my hair. So thank you so much. Like this video, share. I'll see you next time. Bye.